What is tandoori bread? Tandoori bread, a jewel in the crown of Indian cuisine, is a delectable flatbread traditionally cooked in a tandoor, a cylindrical clay oven. Its distinct characteristics include a slightly crispy exterior, a soft and chewy interior, and a unique smoky flavor imparted by the tandoor's intense heat. This bread variety often serves as a delightful accompaniment to various dishes, from flavorful curries to succulent kebabs. How is it made? The magic of tandoori bread lies in its preparation. The dough typically consists of basic ingredients such as flour, water, salt, and sometimes yogurt or milk. After the dough is kneaded to perfection, it undergoes a crucial step, fermentation. This process not only enhances the flavor but also contributes to the bread's light and airy texture. Once the dough has risen, skilled hands shape it into flat discs or elongated ovals. These raw breads are then slapped onto the interior walls of the preheated tandoor, where they adhere and cook rapidly in the intense heat. The result is a mouth-watering creation with a golden brown exterior and a delightful contrast of textures. History of tandoori bread. The history of tandoori bread traces back centuries, intertwining with the rich culinary tapestry of South Asia. The tandoor itself has ancient origins, believed to have been used as early as 3000 BCE. Its introduction to Indian cuisine brought forth the art of tandoori cooking, where meats, bread, and other dishes underwent a transformative experience within the clay confines of the oven. Tandoori bread, in particular, became popular in northern India, especially among the Punjabi people. Its rise to culinary fame can be attributed to the Mughal Empire, where skilled chefs refined the technique and perfected the recipes. Over time, tandoori bread evolved into a symbol of Indian gastronomy, celebrated globally for its unique taste and cultural significance. In essence, the history of tandoori bread is a journey through time, weaving together the ingenuity of ancient cooking methods and the cultural heritage of a diverse and flavorful region. Today, this culinary tradition continues to captivate taste buds and serve as a testament to the enduring legacy of Indian cuisine.